me to go to a networking event in Houston. So as a new hairstylist, I'm like trying to put myself out there and meet business owners and just people in the industry to help, you know, get an idea of how to start my career and etc. Also find clients, etc. So get ready with me to go. I think I'm gonna do like a little bun on my hair and just like curl these other pieces. I'm gonna do my makeup and then we're gonna go. I'm using this curling iron slash flat iron that my mother-in-law gave me. I've never used this on my hair before, so let's see how it curls. I have it set to 180 Celsius, which, so this is what it looks like. It's like a curve on it. Well, essentially, like, you gotta just twist it, right? Beautiful. I blow dried my hair like 2 days ago. I don't think I have the capacity to be a straight natural, but I am considering being a stretch natural because I think it is easier, but also I don't know that many styles to do on stretch hair, but I do like how my hair just looks stretched. I'm gonna pin it like here so it just falls down. Alright, here's my finished makeup look. I'm trying to get used to myself in makeup because I feel like my skin looks too textured. But also texture is normal, right? This is the finished look.